So guys, this is our new closet in this new house. So I'll just show you. It has this space, like there's a compartment over there. I just think this is for storing bags, or I don't know. You can't fit, like it can't fit something big. Just see how tiny the door is. So that's how tiny the door is. I love the handles. I really love the handles. So you can fit things here. It's just that the space here. This door space is a bit tiny, but it has some spots over, some places over there you can store stuff. Like this whole closet. It has. This house is a very big closet. As much as I didn't like this wooden thing that they put here, this. I didn't like it, but I don't mind it because the storage is just amazing. Like, it's wide, huh? And then there are so many, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4, and then it has that side that has a mirror, so you just be viewing yourself over there. And then it has this, I don't know, somewhere you can keep your stuff, and then this is the side where you hang your clothes. So this is where I have a bit of a technical issue with, because it's a bit small, but I do not mind it at all. And then up there, there's more storage, and then also up there, there's more storage, and then also on the other side, there's more storage. So yeah, that's how the house is looking. I'm just trying to lock the cabinet so that I show you, like, there's like a dressing area sort of stuff over there, and I'm just loving it. Like, I am liking that dressing area. And guys, as I am shooting right now, I am using the natural lighting, so the lighting in this house is just perfect. It's perfect. And then my bedroom is so spacious, yeah. So I'm just standing at the balcony of their bedroom. Like, the space in this house, I don't agree with these tiles, but I don't mind it. The space in this house is humongous. Like, you can choose to put your bed on this side, or you can choose to put your bed on this other side. Like, there's just too much space. Then there's an empty wall over there, and then I'll not show you. The door has sliding, the bedroom has sliding doors that leads to the balcony. I'm not gonna show you there because, yeah, let's just not see. Yeah, so that's the bedroom. It's spacious. I love the lighting. So yeah, let me show you the kitchen. And then guys, let me show you our new washroom. So I think I'll not give you everything, but you'll see what I want you to see. That's it. I don't know. Yes, let's just see what I want to show you. So this is our new washroom. I like it because the bathroom is separate from the toilet. And then guys, there's a sink over there, and then there's a mirror. So me, first of all, the separation. I know the floor is dirty, don't worry, it will be cleaned. The separation and then the tiling in this bathroom is giving. It's giving what I want it to give. And then guys, hear this. This toilet is flashing, while the other one in the old house was not flashing. But I just like this washroom. I just like it. I just like this new space. So yes. So guys, when you come here, this is our kitchen. I'll not tint the camera because there's no curtain over there, and we're not going to just shoot it up. So there's a sink over there. I've not even removed that blue thing, is when I want to clean. Those are just cleaning stuff that I have. Then it has lower cabinets, and the tiles or the floor are not giving, but I don't mind them. It's not something you cannot work with. Something you can work with. You can see the space in this kitchen is way much more. The 3 reasons why I'm leaving the other side were the kitchen, the bedroom, and the toilet. And that's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted those 3 spaces to be spacious enough for me to my liking. So yeah, so as you can see, there's space over there, there's another one here, and then there are these drawers, just like Similar, something similar to the other old apartment. So yeah. Let me see. Yeah. So yeah. And then there's more storage up here. I don't know why these people didn't put handles, and I think there's some little bit of touch-ups that need to be done there. There's this space. There are those 3 sections, and then now this is what I don't like. Here, the way I'm struggling with that here, because there's no handle. But you know what, child? It's not as bad as where I was. So yeah, that's the other side, and then this is the other side. So, and then guys, it has sockets over there, there's a socket over here, there's a socket over here, and I am just liking the space, like, yeah. And then the tiles for the wall, I like. The ones for the floor, I don't, but it's okay. I do not mind it. So guys, yeah, those are the 3 major areas why the other house was not nicing, and you can see the difference between this and the other one. So guys, that's how our new sink is looking. That thing for the on top has not been removed. So that's the work I want to do right now, to just clean it up. I've just used bicarbonate of soda, and then I'm using vinegar. So yeah, so let's clean this. Yeah. So guys, done cleaning there. It was dusty. See the way this place is dusty? Yeah, so there's that much dust. So I've just finished that one. So I'm here cleaning this other side. So there is the water. Yeah, so see we clean and see the progress. Hi guys, so this is me here cleaning the bathroom. That's the first part I've cleaned. Of course, kama kawaida, I've used my acid, and you can see it's better. I've just dumped on one, and I wanted to show you. So this is the other side of the washroom. Imagine I've used Omo and brush to scrub this other side, but you can see it's still not coming out. So we are going to compare. That side I've cleaned with acid, and this side I've just used soap and water. So in a few, we are gonna see how it looks. I'm yet to get done with the walls. They don't look dirty, but they are. So I wanted to start with the floor for the first round, and then do the walls. So let's continue with the cleaning. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Okay guys, welcome back to this, I don't know. Hi guys, so we are already in the new house. As you can see, the background is giving. Ignore my hair and ignore my face. Guys, at the moment I'm shooting this video, I am feeling blessed, I'm feeling happy. To be honest guys, this is that year. June said, mwaka wa kupanuliwa ama mwaka wa mapana. I don't know, the panuko something June said. This is the year. So guys, I am done. I am so tired. Like you see the mess that is there. I don't know. I've washed dishes. I've arranged some. But child, I'm tired. I need to eat. So we're gonna make dinner with you guys. Yeah. And then close this vlog. Otherwise guys, thank you for continuing watching till this far. So yeah, let's make dinner. Okay, so guys, these are gonna be my ingredients for making dinner. So this is tomatoes, the next we have onions, and then we have garlic and ginger. So I'm only gonna use those 3 to cook. Yeah, so the oil I think is ready for use. So you can drop the bags. So guys, on the comment section below, please tell me how you guys make your dengu. So the tomatoes are going to fry for the onions are going to fry for some time, and then I'll add the garlic and ginger, and then I'll add the tomatoes, but I'll take you along. Guys, so our onions are already over golden brown, so I just add that garlic and ginger. So I'll let them cook for some time, and then I add the tomatoes. Guys, so our garlic and ginger is ready. I'll add in the tomatoes. I like adding water to my, I don't know what, this gravy, so that when that water boils, I know that the tomatoes are well cooked. So we leave it to cook for some time, and then we'll add in our dengu. So guys, our mixture is ready, as you can see. It's already done, so I just want to add in the dengu. So the dengu is there, so I'll just add in the Royco. I'll mix it and then put it, and then let the dengu to boil for like 15 minutes. So that's the Royco, guys. So I'll just add this is the gravy or the soup for the dengu to mix the Royco. The remaining one I'll freeze. So guys, let's wait for it to simmer, and then once it's done, we'll be back. Guys, so our dinner is ready. Yeah, I think it is done. I want it to have soup because I'm gonna eat it with the chapati. So I'll serve, and then we see.